Double up.
Oh, 2 of them.
Just so everyone at home knows, we're starting, come here. We're starting at the end. We already cooked. We already made it. And I'm doing this. This is bone marrow open fire for all the wins, garlic, rosemary. Oh yeah. There are some things you could do. Come in close, Andy. You could soak these overnight. You see this little bit right here? Some of that blood's coming out. I want to go primal. You could trim off all of this. You could trim off all the little bits. I'm not gonna trim anything. We talked about this on the channel before. Primal cooking, right? Cooking on fire. Sometimes it brings out the caveman in us. Sometimes we don't want to bother with all the trimming. Sometimes we do. Today we are not going to. I'm gonna see how many of these I can fit right inside here. Come in close, buddy. I'm gonna line them up pretty close together. This is a cast iron. This is gonna melt down, Andy. It's gonna turn into like beef butter. Ooh. But we're gonna amp it up. We're gonna go a little more. I'm gonna scoot this over out of the way. I'm gonna take some garlic. I'm gonna mince up this garlic really, really fine. Let's add in some rosemary to that as well. Chop that all up nice and fine. You can add a little extra butter. I'm gonna wait on the butter until later. I just want this fine mince of herbs and garlic. Now we're gonna drizzle some olive oil right over all of our marrow and try to keep the garlic on top of the marrow bones. It'll burn at the bottom. We don't want that. Some of this fat's gonna render out and it'll burn. So do your best to keep the herbs and the garlic on top. And then we're gonna go right over our glorious fire. Let's get our fire set up first. We're gonna knock down some of those coals, a good amount of those coals, because we want a decent amount of heat here. We're gonna put our cast iron pan right over the top. Now, you wanna see a fun trick, Andy?
Let's do it.
We're gonna have a little learning session right here. So we have our braziero. This is where all of our coals are. Speaking of which, hey Andy, grab me a piece of wood. We need to keep this fire going. Any piece.
This one.
That one works. Right in. I'm gonna keep these, give me one more.
Okay, how about
that one works.
This one.
Right in there. I'm gonna keep those going. I want my coals, we're gonna be cooking all day because this is an asado, not just a cooking show. Now down below, Andy, can you see down here?
Yeah, let's get in there.
All of these coals, right? Oh, hey now.
I'm just knocking stuff over.
All these coals, I'm gonna go underneath, but I'm also gonna do this. Look on top, buddy, right here. I wanna cover this, just like that.
Okay.
I'm gonna take my shovel, and I'm gonna grab a bunch of these coals. Ready?
Yep.
Clean, beautiful coals.
Oh,
right
I
on top.
see.
Right on top.
Oh,
let it go. One more time. Yeah. I'm gonna grab some of these coals and we're gonna go on top. We want some top-down heat. Now this is going to toast up the tops. It's gonna give us that gorgeous, beautiful, melty flavor. This is where we get to play with our food. I'm all about this. We're gonna peek on that in 10 minutes and see how we're looking. It's been 10. I added a few more coals on top. I just wanna peek. Come, let's peek. Let's take a gander at what we're working with. Now we've got that bottom heat. We've got this top heat. Oh my, yes. Oh baby.
Dude.
Yeah, we're not there yet. We're gonna keep cruising. Some of that fat is going down to the bottom. Yeah, let's go another 10 and we'll take a peek. We've got just a few more minutes. I'm gonna get to my bread. I'm using a baguette, but you can use whatever kind of bread you like. I wanna go caveman style on this. I love the flavor of fire. And bread takes on the flavor of flavor flyer. You know what I'm saying? All the, it's got the flavor. Slice it, put it on the coals, is what I'm saying. Blow off the ash before you add the bread, and then put them right on the coals. It's okay if a little bit gets on there. It's fine. It's delicious. It's gorgeous, and what you're left with is very, very cool. I am a sucker for this, and it smells like the campfire. We're really amping up our flavor. Come with me. Come take a journey. Let's see how we're looking. Whoa.
Yo.
Whoa. This, oh my gosh. Here, back up for me. We're gonna make our own makeshift little heat tray. I think this works. I like this move. Let's do this. Oh, the wows. Oh, Andy. Andy. If I were throwing a party, I might actually serve it. I might serve it like this. I might go in with some of my bread, do this little move, peacock it, add the feathers.
Is that the official term of that?
I think so. I just made it a turn.
I like it.
I can't help myself. It needs a little color. I'm going to go in with a bit of lemon, just a squeeze. Yeah, I know. You know me. You know me. Bit of acidity is going to cut that fat, and just a little hit of parsley, and that's it. That's all the things, man. How does one eat this, one might ask?
I'm asking.
There, see? I was setting you up for that. Come on in. Check this out. So the marrow is pretty much this on the inside, right? This right here. Do you see how it just turns into like butter? So what you do is you take a piece of your toasted bread.
Mm-hmm.
We're gonna scoop. We're gonna go right on like that and just give it one of these.
Okay.
Double up.
Oh, 2 of them. Oh, man.
Incredibly rich. So this is definitely like the appetizer. Asado, we start this up noon, 1 o'clock when everyone comes over. We're serving this first before we get to the tri-tip or before we get to the picanha or whatever else it is that you're doing. But this is like a showstopper. I'm scooping more. Come here, dude. Look, this one right here. Look how roasty and toasty this one got. Oh, this one's for you. I'm making you a new one.
All right.
This one's for you. Little scoop there. Get the garlic, the herbs. It spreads like butter. Nectar of the gods. There we go. This is your first time, right?
Yeah.
All right, we're gonna be honest.
All right.
Andy's gonna be honest. I'm gonna try to angle toward the camera while you're eating. So this is definitely decadent, right? This is a special occasion.
Oh, man.
Marrow's not expensive. But it's crazy delicious.
Holy cow.
So rich, incredibly rich. It's like, it's beef butter. That's the only way I can say it. If this is your first time hanging out with the Open Flame, I made fire. Thank you, couldn't help myself. Cooking on fire is so much fun. Be sure to play with your fire. Play with it. Little thing on top, top down heat. That's a fun one, all the fun stuff. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, do all the things, all the stuff. Make marrow at home. Don't worry about trimming it either. That's just all the gorgeous. I'm eating all this, buddy. I was gonna share, but
That's I got my little piece.
you get one little piece. See you guys in the next episode.